Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn how to access a HTML properties instead of HTML element. In our previous video, we have accessed HTML elements itself. Now we are trying to access an individual properties of that particular HTML. And first property we are looking into it is inner HTML. Let me jump into Visual Studio Code for better understanding. Here I have created index.html, index.js. My index.js has been embedded into my index.html. Now I can access all these elements in my JS file. Let me give a ID as heading, and now we got heading ID. I can access this particular element by using this ID, so I can use document dot get element by ID of heading. Now this will return you a element, and let me print that element first. Console.log of element. So this already we know and we saw in the previous videos. Let me reload, and you can see here we got that particular element. For example, if you want to access the content which is inside this open and close tags, then how to get that property values? So we can use something like inner HTML. So we have a property on an element to get the inner HTML. So now let me go back, clear it off and reload. Now you got a string which was inside the h1 tag. For example, let me use a div tag, and inside the div tag I'm using a paragraph, and let me use paragraph testing and save this. Now let me give an id is equal to division. Save this. And how to get this division? I can get in many ways. So now for now I'm trying to get with the id. So const division is equal to document dot, you can even get by using query selector, and let me give hash, and my id is equivalent to this division. Let me pass this. Now whenever I want to access the inner HTML of this inner HTML, then what it will print, whether it will print this paragraph testing or whether it will print whole paragraph. So here if you see inner HTML means the content which is having a tags or may not having the tags. So now in this case inner HTML means my paragraph tag. So let me go back, clear it off, and let me reload. You can see here accessing the HTML element properties. Why you are getting this? So we are targeting for element. Instead of element we need to write division. Let me save this, go back, clear it off and reload. If you see here, you are able to access whole paragraph itself inside a string. That means it will not bother about HTML content or text content. It will return the content which is in between this open and close tag. So now your next question would be something like how to access only the text from this particular element. For that sake, I'll do one more video, and next video would be something like how to access only the text inside a particular element. For now, we understood how to access a inner HTML content of a particular element. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.